You don't like the whole situation? Hang on, don't overtalk me. Now's just the time to listen.
Do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that, no, that means I'm going to revoke your bond. You're going to jail regardless. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Very good.
Buckle up, guys. Today we are going to witness a courtroom moment that turns serious before anyone even has a chance to explain themselves. Within seconds, the judge makes it clear that the defendant's bond is about to be revoked, leaving everyone wondering what could have gone so wrong. That shocking opening instantly sets the tone and raises one big question. What happened behind the scenes that pushed the court to make such a firm decision?
So you're Corbin Rayleigh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Rayleigh, you were here just last week or the week before.
Yes, ma'am.
And you pled guilty to an offense and you were told to go to the probation department and do a pre-sentence report.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've gotten a memo from them that has some unfortunate information in here about how you acted while you were there and visiting with them.
Yes, ma'am. I was over the phone when the lady was arguing and stuff. I just wanted the information on when I was supposed to meet the dude. That was it.
All right, guys, now the courtroom begins uncovering the reason behind that dramatic opening. The judge explains a probation officer submitted a troubling report about the defendant's behavior, while he insists it was only a misunderstanding during a phone conversation. But as he keeps trying to interrupt and defend himself, his actions inside the courtroom begin reinforcing the very concerns the judge is talking about, making the situation even more difficult for him.
Yes, ma'am.
So listen, it's time to get a whole different attitude about all of this. I understand. I remember now when you were here, you don't like the whole situation. Hang on, don't overtalk me because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay. Now it's just the time to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And just do what you're told. There's not an excuse for what you did. That's not, you didn't just try to ask for some information. Okay. They wouldn't have sent.
All right, guys, now the courtroom begins uncovering the reason behind that dramatic opening. The judge explains a probation officer submitted a troubling report about the defendant's behavior, while he insists it was only a misunderstanding during a phone conversation. But as he keeps trying to interrupt and defend himself, his actions inside the courtroom begin reinforcing the very concerns the judge is talking about, making the situation even more difficult for him.
They're going to do this pre-sentence report, probably not today.
Do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where I'm.
Yeah, can we just like revoke the deal and take it to trial? I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
All right, guys, the tension reaches its peak as the defendant desperately asks for another bond and even requests to take the case to trial, arguing that phone recordings would support his side. But the judge remains firm, refusing to reopen the debate and officially revoking his bond until sentencing. In the end, this courtroom exchange becomes a powerful reminder that how someone behaves outside and inside the courtroom can significantly influence the outcome. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on